Morning. I've had a lovely couple of nights in my private dorm here in Viseu, and now I'm heading west back towards the coast, towards Aveiro. There's a rail trail here which I'll join just as soon as I've reached the top and I can start going downhill on the gravel. Bom dia. Yeah. Been recommended this Antiga Linha de Vouga, which probably is just Portuguese for old rail line, going west from, where was I, Viseu, and it meanders a lot and it is gravel. I have a new YouTube channel member, Scott. Thank you very much, Scott. I had a flurry of new YouTube channel members, so thank you very much to all of you. And thank you very much, especially today, to Scott. This being an old rail trail, I wonder if this used to be a railway footbridge. Bom dia, bom dia. I don't mind this while I'm going downhill, but I can't be bothered coming up to something like this. Had some sort of landslide here. Interesting. Sure, this is traffic free. I was looking for some shelter to have a little snack. I got a shelter and a toilet. Nice new bridge. Too new to actually be properly open yet. Shame you didn't block the other end, guys. Clearly not the first. Well, there's another angle of the bridge for you. I'm sure it's going to make a lovely bike path one day. This Ecopista rail trail has been a great choice. Really glad about that. I'd be less thrilled going east and having to climb up on the gravel, but this way has been superb. Spoke too soon. Mind you, there's only 7 kilometers left. No more rail trail smoothing out the gradients. Thank goodness it's sealed at least. 6:30 p.m. Time to find a camp, preferably a flat one. Here we go. There's been bushfires here a season or two ago. I've heard about big bushfires in this region, bad ones, so I guess there's been something come through here. Cheers, what a big day, rewarded this evening with a big feast including some fancy cheese and some port. Loving the port. Cheers to another thing to love about Portugal. Cheers.